Yeah, well, we can go and look. Looks like some old games and stuff,
Okay.
which can be valuable.
Let's check it out.
Okay. Hello.
How's it going?
Good.
Still want people to find out that it's come on.
That game sounds interesting.
I'll miss you when you move out. This is cute. This I
Oh,
could
the table.
resell for good, but I don't know if they're selling it.
You could ask about it.
Yeah.
It is nice, isn't it?
It is.
Like it's in great shape.
It looks to be. Looks like, oh, that might just be dirt. But yeah. And then I think these slide out to make it a little longer. This bit.
Okay, yep.
It would have had chairs to match, but
Is that a camera?
Yeah.
So what do you just
We have a garage sale vlog on YouTube.
vintage, antique, and collectibles? So you're into collecting antiques and stuff?
Yeah, our house is chock full.
So is it
Turn of the
personally
century.
for yourself, your own collections? Or is it buy
mostly
and sell, like you like to make
more
like
than
a
I
profit?
should keep.
What kind of thing you're looking for?
Victorian,
Yeah.
Victorian.
turn of the century.
And I was going to ask about your arborite table if you were selling that.
We have friends that like that.
Yeah.
Mid-century.
The one with the weight bench on it?
Yeah.
Okay, this is my neighbor. I actually
Oh.
live next door.
Oh.
He's got all
It's just
kinds
a
of
convenient
treasures.
use.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's convenient to use his garage, totally.
Oh boy. Well, I
Do
don't
you
want
have-
to insult you, and I don't know what you value it at. That's the thing.
Well, we can come to an agreement, I'm
But
sure.
Do you have the chairs or anything that
No, I
go
don't
with
have the
it?
chairs, no, just the
Okay,
table.
just the table.
Yeah.
like $15 is kind of where I'm at.
What do you think about that?
So what are you thinking?
Don't matter to me, it's just taking up space in my garage.
Yeah. Well, if you want $15 and a little extra space in your garage,
We'll move the workbench and everything off of it.
Do that too?
Yeah. All right.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's do that.
Excellent. Thank you.
Do you need help taking
Should
stuff
offer
off our
10.
hose and, like,
Yeah. Oh, look at his washer. That's cool.
That's for sale too.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah,
Is it ever in good
that's old.
shape?
That's old.
Yep.
Yeah. Ringer.
Imagine doing washing with pumping the
God, I
agitator
would
and-
have a lot of dirty clothes. That's what I think. Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, that's gonna be heavy.
We'll just set it, yeah, right here. And then we'll set the workbench right here to watch that. Yeah. I'm just gonna set my bag down
Should we
here.
put the workout bench?
No, because I think we're gonna
Okay.
put it here. Because once the table's gone, you'll be able to see it.
15's okay, right?
Oh yeah, that's
Here it is for
excellent.
45.
Well, I'll ask more for this one.
Okay.
I don't have to. Like, it looks to be in pretty nice shape. I think I can bring this chrome back, even though see it's a
It's
little.
off here some.
It's a little
Some of
pitted.
it's-
Oh yeah.
on this side.
Well, I'll have to
Yeah.
see. This stuff gonna come off, or
Well, it might.
can we be just a sec? Okay. I'll give you that.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
What else can you sell us?
What else you interested?
I don't know. Now I'm looking around in your garage. All right. You ready? We'll slide her out here. I can go backwards here. Hold on.
Hand or you all right there?
Oh, I think we're good.
We're good. Well, thanks a lot.
Yeah. What were you asking for your washer?
Oh, I wasn't really. It's one of those offer things, like, you know,
Yeah. I'm just not
and then you negotiate.
right.
Yep.
It's not perfect, eh? There's a
No,
couple little
it's
scuffs on it.
Yeah, that's okay.
You might be able to.
Yeah, I like the color. All right.
At least you got a truck and you're not coming with a car.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
No, we come prepared.
Good there?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Have to get in and there. Now, is it gonna be okay like that? I think so.
Turn it over.
I wonder if we should.
Or do you have blankets
put it
in the
on
back?
No.
Oh,
Oh, just don't take any wild curves. It shouldn't really go anywhere.
I don't think so. Like,
As long as you're not going out on the main road.
it's like if you try and lift one side, feel it. And
I mean, I know it's heavy.
yeah, but it's not tippy.
No,
yeah.
it's not going to tip over.
I don't think so.
I think we'll be good.
I think so.
Well, thanks. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
day. Yeah.
Take care. You did good, babe.
I hope so.
I was like,
I know. Yeah, 15 is low ball.
but that's without really looking at it.
It is, and it's not perfect.
It's not.
There's
Lot
some
of them.
cuts in the top of the table.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to try and figure out how to. I don't know that I can fix that because it's through the arborite
Yeah,
down to the brown underneath.
I don't know.
Might just have to be as is.
Yeah, I still think you can get more than $15 for it.
Yeah, I do too. Oh, this is unscheduled.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, we're still going.
Yeah, you think it'll be okay like that? Because I just think if we put it upside down, it's gonna slide around and
Yeah,
get worse.
I think so too.
Yeah,
I'll just try and drive good
yeah.
as opposed to
Yeah,
when I
that washer
drive
thing
normally.
was cool too, and I was like, well, if he's willing to let the
Oh my god, what would we do with
table-
that thing?
Oh, I'd resell it.
Oh,
But then that might be a hard sell because it's so big and so useless. But I sold just the wooden top piece there, the ringer, for $25.
oh,
Yeah, it's not moving at all, is it?
no, not really.
Yeah. Well, it might be jiggling because it's loose, like the legs are loose and. I'm thinking it had a drawer or something. Like there's like a cutout part that.
Oh, is there?
Like, yeah, I don't know. Hopefully there's something good at this one.
Yeah.
Honestly. Well, it looks like there's lots to look at anyway.
Battery? Okay, you go ahead, babe.
Okay. Peppermint. Oh, it doesn't smell like peppermint. Do you like it? Kind of reminds me of my cotton candy one.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah. Thank you. Just put it in my bag. That lady, how much is this bench? And there's a price tag on it.
Is there?
Yeah. She's just trying to.
I'm illiterate.
That's a ploy that some people use.
I drop like a marble in there?
Yeah.
Am I losing my marbles? What the hell?
Yeah, usually they don't fall in water so you don't hear it. Oh.
Yeah, I'm spilling it all over myself, the camera, everything. A little too bumpy to
I didn't
be
really, it doesn't look that bumpy.
doing well in driving.
Yeah, sorry.
Spilling it everywhere.